What up, cheese? Cheese?
Cheese? We can't hear you, bro. Oh my god. Well, he did click in, so he's here. He might think we're not talking. Let me just message him. I think he's restarting his thing. Yo.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, we can
Hey.
hear you. Nice.
There we go. I was wondering what the hell is going on there.
Alright, I'm getting up close, as usual.
Okay, I'll go Mace.
I'm doing
Yep.
Alright, I'll go rap.
I think they're gonna try berries. I'm gonna contest mids.
Bumping left. They're winning it.
But our berries are bad.
I was just making sure. Ah, shit. Yeah, I just
okay.
didn't want them to get it.
Okay, hold a gate. Left is clear.
Sorry, man. Got you.
I'm up.
It's all good.
Got it. Ah,
Oh.
we're both on last. You're the only one up, Lugia. You're the only one up.
I couldn't get up. I haven't been able to get up this whole time. Damn. Sorry, I fucked that up too.
Yeah, me too.
I couldn't do shit.
Good
I
job,
was
guys.
asleep at the wheel.
It's okay. It's okay.
I was sleeping at the wheel.
I also should have bumped Andres out at the beginning, and I hesitated and went downhill from there.
All good.
I'll go near gate.
I'll go rap.
Okay.
I'm gonna chuck berry. Well, I'm down here now.
I'm up. I'm gonna cover rap.
I'm down.
Okay,
down.
I'm a legend. I'm a legend.
We have one mace. We have one berry. They have two berries.
Andres is trying to space me out in here.
Left gate.
I'm down. I'm down.
Yeah.
We have two maces.
Snack is moving snail. I'm moving snail.
No, we have one.
I'm
Jesus.
I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. We got two.
3.
Got one of their mace. Oh, we have three maces. Surround microwave. Overwhelm them.
I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. I'm gonna hop on snail. Try and bring it back a little bit, and then run some more barriers. He's going speed mace. I'm up.
Good job.
I'm down. I'm down.
Nice. Good
Yeah.
job. Alright, they have another mace. Andres is in the base right now.
Shit. Try and get left gate maybe.
Yeah, got you.
Got queen.
Good
Nice.
job. Queen's on two.
Ah, shit. They got a
Nice.
miss.
2 berries out. Good job, Pavon.
I'm up. I'm up.
Oh, god damn it. Dude. I'm pretty proud of taking down Andres, though, in that level. I was, like, watching him while just knowing where I was, without looking at myself at all.
Didn't get up.
Oh my god.
We're 0.
Neither did I. I should have done. Nice kill. Nice punch. I'm up. We're one.
Run down.
Alright, I'm up.
They have a
We're
shield.
two.
A miss. Yeah.
Shield down.
I'm up. We're 3.
Good job.
Ah.
He's dead. I'm on two. He's on two.
We're two. I'm down. I'm gonna run berries.
Dead. I'm on last now.
Okay, I'm gonna try and
They're up.
Oh my fuck.
get up.
We're 1. You gonna get your last?
Oh, okay.
We're 2. I'm up.
Good job, good job, good job.
Ah, fuck, I'm down.
We're 1.
We're 1.
They're 2.
Alright, I'm up.
Top right, top right. Watch out.
Yeah, we're up 2.
Good job, good job. Good job.
He went sword.
There you go.
Or speed, or what am I saying? Shield?
Got you.
Oh my god. I can't
Ah,
talk.
fuck, I'm down.
The
We
wipes.
wiped.
Ah, shit.
Oh, that was a great shot.
Ah, shit.
I'm up. We're 1.
Oh, that gunshot was so good. He was there, and I went for him, and then he rose above. Like, I need to start predicting, not going where the queen is.